You want to make you want to make a lot of money? Do you want to know how to make a lot of money? Let me give you the secret. It's really easy. It's very simple. It's not hard. Get your pen and paper ready. This is how you make a lot of money. Solve problems. Solve problems. I've learned how to solve problems in the financial industry, and it makes me money. You gotta think about it. Are you a problem solver? Are you a solution giver? These are the people that make money. These are the shapers of the world, the grandfathers of dynasties. I'm telling you, every successful person solved a problem. My question is, what problems are you solving today? What problems are you gonna solve today? That's how you make the money. Problem solving. Find a problem and create a solution, charge people, and solve it. All right? Solve problems, make money.